Mr. Wayne Greasy. Dude, turbo Honda single cam.
Check it out. Boost gauge down there. Oh, boost gauge down there. Two-step chrome. It fucking sucks. One anti-load.
Alright, well, let's get this party started. Let's just start recording the video.